Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset maintenance light Mitsubishi Mirage. Begin by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine and ensure parking brake is engaged. Use the trip button to cycle to the odometer display, not trip O or B. Press and hold the trip button until the display blinks or shows dashes, then release and confirm the maintenance light turns off or resets on the next ignition cycle. This step-by-step method works on most Mirage models and is quick to follow. With the ignition on, press and hold the trip meter button and watch for the odometer to show dashes or a reset symbol. Keep a steady hold for several seconds until the display blinks, then release. Turn the ignition off and back on to verify the maintenance light no longer illuminates and the message has cleared. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long drives and underfoot DIY work. I linked the socks and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light does not reset, try the sequence again with firm button presses and exact timing. Low battery voltage can prevent electronic systems from accepting the reset, so check battery condition if problems persist. If additional warning lights appear or the service reminder returns immediately, contact a qualified technician or dealer for a diagnostic scan to ensure there are no underlying maintenance issues requiring attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.